Hello everyone, September 19th. Alright. It's been 2 bad days, okay? 2 very, very bad days. We were not able to solve. And today, damn, it's a hard problem. Let's see if we are able to get this one. Okay, given a string, it can convert S to a palindrome by adding characters in front of it. Return the shortest palindrome you can find by performing this transformation. Shortest palindrome, so you keep adding in front. So the first one is you add 1, and the second one you have to add all of them. Okay. Let me think. You know what I have in my mind? Like right now? I'm thinking about the Knuth Morrison. I think about KMP. That's what I'm thinking about at the moment. Like right now. This is what I have in mind. I am thinking about. Is that KMP? Yeah. I'm thinking about this, the pattern matching. I mean, not exactly the matching itself, Pratt. What I'm thinking about is the longest prefix suffix array. This is what I'm thinking about. Of course, we can, because adding it to the front doesn't really matter. We just reverse the string, right? We reverse the string. So original string is A, C, E, C, A. Okay, that is the original string, right? So if we find its LPS array, the longest prefix suffix, which means that at each position, you will know how much it's fitting. But now it's the prefix equals the suffix. But palindrome is the other way around, right? Palindrome is the other way around. It's the prefix, not it's like a reverse of the suffix. Maybe this is what we need to go, because eventually, let's say we add some stuff, that just means this will equal to this, right? Something on the front. But how do we manage this then? Or maybe what we need is, if we treat something as the center. Probably not KMP, but we do have to treat something as the center, right? We have to treat something as the center. And the center cannot be like, this one cannot be center, right? So basically center can be middle, right? Depends on if it's even or if it's odd. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with 8. So it's gonna be this one and this one, right? So we start from here and check to see if they're the same. If they're the same, we keep checking. But then every single one you have to do a check. Every single one you have to do a check. And that's gonna make it O(n) squared. So we don't want that. Right, we don't want that, because there's gonna be too many checks. And the thing is, if I do some matching, so like in this case, it's if I set this is the center, then we see, oh, this is matching, this is matching, this is matching, right? So we only need to pull one more. But then if we set the next one as the center, then we need to match. Yeah, it's like kind of, it's different things are getting matched. It's like we're matching. So if this is the temporary center, we are matching this with this. Doesn't matter, we're matching, say, this 3 with these 3, okay? And then if I use this as center, then we're matching this with this. So this, yeah, I don't think it's helping. What if we create a copy of the string? So we have A C E C A, right? This is the original. And we have a reversed A C E C A, right? Palindrome is the front. Okay, so this matching this, which is this to match this, right? And now we are pointing on the same direction. Maybe we can use the prefix matching now. How much is the prefix matching this? Because I'm adding things in this. Or we can say we're adding things here. Yeah, we're adding things here. Hold on. Actually, it's easier to think. Well, it'll be easier to think. Hold on. So if we have, say, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, right? So the worst case scenario, it's just there is no palindrome, okay? No palindrome here, and then we just add A3, A2, A1, A0 here. Nada, right? No palindrome. So we have to copy the entire thing from here to here. This is the worst case scenario. And as long as we find some palindrome here, right? If we find some palindrome in this range, right? If we have a palindrome, that means we just need to add the remaining part. So now the question becomes finding the longest palindrome. Of course, we have to flip this, right? We flip this and find the longest palindrome ending at this position. Find the longest palindrome ending at this position. So what you're saying is, I'll flip this A, C, A, right? So we start from this position. We're trying to see what is the longest palindrome we can get. So we have A, and these two are the same, so that is a palindrome of length 2. Okay, now we got a C. Okay, so that's no longer palindrome. And we get an E. Okay, then we get a C again. Now, because it has to be palindrome ending at here, right? So is there a way we can quickly check? Yeah, like how do you check? How do you quickly check for a palindrome? Exactly. How do you do this check? And it has to be here, right? It has to be here. It has to end in this. So we can read for an A. But then, depending on what's inside, yeah, how do you find the longest palindrome? I feel like there is an algorithm for this. The longest palindrome. How do you find the longest palindrome? And it's the longest palindrome ending at something, so it's different. It's like we're trying to find what are you matching to this. Like in this position, we'll match 1. This position we have AA, so we can match 2. In this position we have AAA, but we only have AA, so that's also match 2. Yeah, this is something like right, we match 2. And this is C. Now because the previous one matched 2, right? So we should make a match 2, so we can know, oh, this match, so we have match 3. And the E, that's it, right? So if we run through this, we're gonna have something like this. And this would tell you that at each position, until the 1, it cannot move anymore because you cross, right? Because when we want to try to find the palindrome, Okay, it has to be a palindrome. Right? It has to be a palindrome. It has to be, which means and if you lost it, right? If you just match, but something doesn't match, right? If something does not match, yeah, this is very similar. I mean, I don't even need to do the other one. I can just use the original, right? So basically, we say how much I match from the front. So we try to see if we can do the maximum palindrome, right? And then we check the next, and then we check next, right? This and this, they're not equal. Okay, when they're not equal, what I want to do is to see, can I match because in this position, say I can match 2, right? Long as I can match 2. So for this A, so we have a mismatch, right? So we have a mismatch, which means I need to check previous. Oh, I can check previous. Okay, so I say I have a mismatch. Because we're trying. Boom, we have a mismatch. Okay, and if we have a mismatch, so we can now go this way, which means I will, cut one off and see if it match to this one, right? If it doesn't match this one, we can try for just keep trying to see if anyone will match. And once you find a match, but what about the others? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's KMP. Ah, almost. I can see KMP here. I just couldn't switch my mind. Think of this as the suffix. This is prefix and suffix, right? And what we're saying is, at this point we have 1, at this point we have 2. This is a mismatch, right? Once it's a mismatch, I go, so the length will equal to the previous one. What is its length? Wait. It will go to this position. We'll find its maximum match. Yes, this max match is this. So now this, yes. So this is a 2, right? The length is 2. So the length will get reset. Length will get reset to its, the length minus 1, so it will be here. Its length. And its length is 1. This is a 1. This is 0. Its length is 1. This is at the front, right? Its length is 1. So now, this will compare to this. I need to pull up KMP again. Right, this will compare to this. The length plus 1. Yeah, this was 2. Right, and I move on next. Equals so plus 3. And this, as we go through this thing, this is not equal. So we go here, but it's 0, so this is actually a 0. Right, because it matches 0. This is also 0. Yeah, I think these are all 0. Actually, no, a 0. This is a match. This is going to be 1. This is going to be 2. And this does not match. So we get 2, 2 minus 1. go to 1, check it as 1, and then we match 1, 1 match, so this is going to be 2. Right, so we go through, this is the initial, okay, and then we use this to do the same thing, 2, 3, and E 0, 1, 2, 3 match will be 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Match will be 5, right? And then a match will be 6. This match will be 7. This means, right? This means I'm gonna go front, and then we go back. We'll have 7 of them is matching. So we have 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll have 7. So we'll have in the reverse, right? We'll have 7 is matching to the prefix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 is matching, right? So we go through this because all this match. So we find a maximum value. Once we find a maximum value, then we know we have a maximum palindrome in here, and then just the rest we put in the front. Okay, so we just need to write 2 KMPs. We will try the LPS, the longest prefix suffix array of KMP algorithm. To find the longest palindrome ending no, starting, not ending, starting from S0. We need to do this because the shortest palindrome to create, to form based on S is to depends on the longest palindrome starting from S0. Okay, so we have left to right, right? So we say n is star length. We say left, right, LPS. And then we also have how do you reverse a string? String builder, okay, I can do that. But we need to first say private int get LPS. I will do a char array. A1, A2. Okay. So I have the LPS equals new this, right? And then what we're gonna do is go through A2. Oh, we need A1's LPS as well. Damn. It's two different LPS because the other one is Okay, we get LPS on this. Okay, we get LPS. Right? And then we need a length. What you call it, length? 0. And then if a I is equal to a length, if the two are the same, right, then LPS I, so we say length plus plus equal to, I think you say plus plus length, right? And then just keep going, right? If they're the same, that should be a while. Right, and then LPS I equal to plus plus len, and I move on to the next one, right? Now, if they're not the same, AI is not equal to a len, right? If these two are not the same, then we'll reset length, right? Shall equal to, we'll reset length. So we need to go to I minus 1, right? I minus 1. So it will be LPS I minus 1. LPS I minus 1 is the length of the previous one that can match, right? So this one minus 1 is the previous in a prefix. So now I want to get LPS of this, right? So we reset the length is equal to this, and well, it depends if I is equal to 0, right? So if I is equal to 0, then we just set length to 0. No, not I equals 0. It is I, right? if length is 0, because we need to do length minus 1. Yeah, so this is LPS I minus 1 is your LPS I minus 1. No, I don't think it's LPS I minus 1. No, this LPS length minus 1. Right? LPS len minus 1 is, yes. So length is the current maximum matching, right? And then your next, you're trying to match length, right? And then mismatch. So len minus 1 is the previous matched one. So LPS, the previous matched one, which gives you the LPS. No. Wait, hold on. It's len minus 1. LPS len minus 1 is the previous matching, right? The previous one, what's the prefix match? So we get its length. Yep. Not that complicated. It's just this one. And now we can say if len is equal to 0, so we cannot do len minus 1, right? If len is equal to 0, then I think we just do I++. It's just a 0 match, right? We don't have any match. Else, then we can do this. Which I think we can say this. Right? If it's equal, I move forward. If not equal but len equal to 0, then we just move I forward. Otherwise we do this. So, and then this will return LPS. Right? This is a get LPS. And we have another one. No, we don't even need the other one. Then we don't even need to turn it. I just say string s. Okay. So this is be s dot length. It's fine. So it's gonna be s dot char at I s dot char at len. That's it. Right, that's it. So what we're gonna get is LPS, get LPSS. Okay, so we get LPS. Then we're gonna reverse S. Right, so we can say string rev S equal to new string builder s dot reverse dot string. Right, so we want to reverse the string, and then we do the same LPS but do it slightly different compared to the other one, because we're not doing the prefix of the reverse, we're using the original LPS, which means we're going to also, we have a max padding drum length. Okay, so we have that. Well, technically it should be 2, right? It should be 1. And then what we're gonna do is int I equal to 1. Actually, I should be 0, because the first one you need to match, right? Because we're saying this you need to match. The first one you need to match. So I equal to 0. So while I smaller than s star length. Okay. Oh, we also need length. Start with 0. Right. We say if reverse dot char at I is equal to s dot char at length. Right. If these two are the same, then oh, I need LPS. I need a new LPS. Damn. So ref LPS. Let's put it here. So reverse LPS. The new int s dot length. Oh, too many times. I just do ns length. Right. So it is n. Okay. So if both are the same, then we say LPS I plus plus, and now reverse or equal to length plus plus length, right? Else if length equal to 0, I plus plus, else length shall equal to LPS length minus 1. And then at the end we'll do max palindrome length, max dot maximum, max palindrome length, and rev LPSI. Ooh, that is, huh. Scratch that. We are going to do it inside. Max palindrome, max dot max palindrome, and length. Right. So at the end, I'll have the max palindrome length. And once I have the max palindrome length, all we need to do is reverse. So int, not int string, prefix shall equal to s dot substring from max palindrome length towards n, right? And we need to reverse this. We say new stream builder, this thing. Oh, I do. Okay. So we stream builder this thing. Dot reverse dot to string. And I'll return prefix plus s. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, this one's right. Very interesting. How about this one? Actually, I didn't even consider this one. Because the max palindrome length is the same. I think this might be right. We first find the LPS of the original string. Then we find the LPS of the reversed string using the original string as prefix, right? Then the longest and the maximum LPS value of the reverse string is the longest palindrome starting from S0. The rest is easy. So this will run in ON because it's ON. KMP is ON. Yeah, we might be able to solve this, honestly. Okay, I have a little bit. Oh. Maybe I should do 0. Yep, I do think you should do 0. There we go. Okay. Almost. Actually, I'm not sure if it's almost. How many we passed? We passed 120 out of 123. Do we have like new test cases? Let's see. 120, yeah, they add new test cases. Jeez. Wow, they added new test cases. Okay, they added 3 new test cases. So, which means, yes, if we are talking about 2 years ago, then this solution will pass. But they have upgraded, right? They upgraded. What the hell? Oh, mine is too short. What? Holy crap. ABA, BBA. Oh my god, how do I even know if it's a palindrome or not? Well, I see 3 B's. And there's no 3B on the other side. So this definitely is not. Hold up. What is the maximum palindrome for this? Well, I have 3 B's here. All right, we gotta analyze this. You know, is this something I thought we'd done? A B A B B B A B B A B A. Okay. So what is the longest palindrome? I say the longest palindrome. I added only what? I think I added B B B A B B A B A. After 3B is A B A B A. So I added at the front A B A B B A B A B B A B. That's what I add. A B A B B A B. Oh. you miss something here? I think I know what I missed. Shit. Which means I think if I add this, there's no palindrome. Wait, what? Come on. Really? I have this reverse. Reverse is A, B, A, B, B, A, B, 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 A, B, A. Right, this is the reverse. And the reverse, we're trying to see if any of this will match this, right? So what we find is ABA, BB. Oh, we have ABA, BB. This is ABA, BB. So I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I put this. Yeah, that's not right. This is not a palindrome. It has to be the matching up to the end. I'm surprised that we got past like so many test cases. It has to be, this is the prefix, right? And this is, we have to find the maximum matching towards the end. Okay, towards the end. So aren't you just going to look at the last one? Aren't you just looking at the last one? Shouldn't you be just looking at the last one? So it's not a maximum, it's just, so what I'm saying is we don't do this, and this is the longest, should be LPS, reverse LPS, n minus 1. Huh. What? Which one gave me issue? Oh. Okay. If I start. Yep. Looks to be the reason. So it's not the, oh shit, not the longest. Right? It's not the longest. It's the end. And if you do this, I don't even need a reverse. Right? I don't even need, because I'm not even using the reverse LPS. Because the LPS I use is previous. Right? So we can just say int reverse LPS 0. Right? And then LPS equal to this. Damn, then I have to go plus plus. Oh my goodness. I have to add it back. Right? I plus plus. Oh man. That's ridiculous. Right? And then there's no such a thing, and then this is just going to be reverse LPS. Yep. So note. Hold on. I need to put a note. Note that for the reverse LPS, we don't have to use an array, right? Because, and also the max value of the reverse is the, not the longest, is the LPS value of the final character in the reversed string. Now then the max and the longest palindrome, right, starting from S0 is the LPS value of them. We don't have to use 0 because we only care about the LPS value of the final letter, final character in the reversed string. And because the construction of the reverse LPS only depend on the forward LPS, right? Which we will create beforehand. Okay, so I have confidence that this shall be it. This shall be okay. We're gonna run it one more time, make sure everything is good. All right, let's try this. There we go. Nice. Oh, at least redeemed myself a little bit, because yesterday and the day before yesterday was just so bad. I mean, again, but this one took like an hour. It was pretty bad actually, if you think about it. Especially, we just went through KMP. I think maybe 2 weeks ago, and in total, I don't even know how many times we've been through KMP. Many times, I think. But the last time, pretty much, I think I was not able to do it. I think I checked the IO. Oh man, did I? Yep. Back then I was really dedicated. Very dedicated. I think I just slug out some solution here. I don't even know what this is. No clue. No idea. No comment, no nothing. I think this one probably I have some comment. Yeah, and then this is KMP. Oh. Wow. It's and there is KMP and there is KMP. What is this one? Oh, this is my ideation. I think I wrote it out. The 3 different scenarios. I wasn't even going there. I don't even know what this was. Now back then I did have a lot of weird ideas. I don't even know how I came up with this. And right now, after a lot of training, when you see this, you kind of just first think about KMP and you just go that way. You don't even think about this. I don't even know what this is. Is this like my way of doing KMP? I have diff. No. I'm not even touching this with a 10 feet pole. So I think what I'm going to do, either read that or read, brute force is not going to work. 2 pointers is not going to work, right? KMP is going to work. And that's pretty short. That is pretty short. Okay, I am rolling hash. Manach. Oh, I don't remember these names. Yeah. I think I'll go through KMP. Not today. It's too late. But I'll go through KMP. We have an idea. But I mean, for me, I essentially go through KMP twice, right? If you can think about it, twice, and it's essentially the same, right? We wrote this. This is to get original KMP, and then we went through KMP again when we reverse the string. So I go through KMP again, then we get it. So it is actually quite simple, right? The way I'm doing it, but it's probably not optimal because I think they did only maybe only go through it once. I did have to, KMP is once, reverse the strings like the second time you still go through it. I see what you're saying. Maybe we don't have to reverse the string. We just go from right to left. You know what? Yeah. I think we can. I think we can go from right to left. Because we don't really need KMP, right? That is very interesting idea. What you're saying is we are going to go from right to left. Let's do this. It is going to be s star char at I. Yes. And it's going to be minus minus. Minus minus. Everything else is the same. Yup. We don't even need to. Holy crap. See, you just improved. We're gonna go update. We don't even need to physically reverse the string. We just need to produce the reverse LPS by iterating the original string from right to left. We don't need this. Right, this we have to do, unfortunately, and then we do this and this and then this and then this. Yeah. That is it. Well, I'm surprised we can get a little bit more. I think we have a little bit more performance boost on this. But I want to read the official solution, maybe read my solution from 2 years ago. I think it'll be helpful. There we go. Look. Right? You know what? I don't want to read the official. This is pretty fast. And it's very simple. That's the thing. It's very simple. Yeah, now that I think about it. And the problem is to try to find the palindrome, right? The palindrome that's starting from the first character. And we are solving that using the substring matching. We're saying if we reverse the string, right? If we reverse the string, we want to find the maximum matching suffix to the prefix of the original one. If there's a matching, that is a palindrome. Yeah. And then, yeah, that's okay. I'm happy with this. This is much better than the other one. Much better than the other one. Beautiful. Well, we can check. I think we should check. Right? We should. We should definitely check now this solution. So we check this and we check our own. Okay, that will be it. Good. Another practice of KMP. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Adios.